Let's talk about the 3 must-have skill sets for lawyers. Knowledge. What do I mean? Well, legal expertise, of course, but this is a given. This is the license to play. This is expected from lawyers anyhow, otherwise they won't call you. If you would like to distinguish yourself, add additional expertise. Show that you have expertise in tax, accounting, maybe in a different culture, in a different country, or you have specific IT knowledge, or you have specific project management skills. Then, highly appreciated by customers is if you could show that you have knowledge in a specific industry, which is the customer's industry, and you know the customer. You know the customer strategy, you know the customer's products, you know where the customer does business. If you can add all together as a package beyond the pure legal expertise, you will distinguish yourself from competitors. 2. Management. What does it need to run a business successfully? Well, first, you have to develop a strategy. You have also to look into the business model, which applies best to your business. Then you have to draft the operations in an efficient way, which includes to add the processes which are important for you and the systems. Further, your resources must be managed. This means human resources, but also financial and the timely resources. And overall, at the end, you have to look at the leadership. That means you have to lead your company. 3rd, relationship. Make sure that your service is better than your legal expertise. Then have a look at your leadership skills, but now in terms of people. Make sure you lead your employees and try to lead your customer as well. By doing that, have a look at your communication skills. Make sure you are understandable when you deliver your results. And when you deliver them, you have an additional block to consider, which encompasses your presentation, your body language, and maybe you are even able to visualize your results. And last but not least, which is one of the most important skills for lawyers, practice on your negotiation skills. The persona of the lawyer is determined by all 3 skill sets you have learned. And this altogether will build the unique selling proposition to succeed and survive in the future as a lawyer.